Yeah, I'll show you in a minute, Dan, how to download it. Just do one video and then that'll be it. You can get points on it as well, Dan, you know, that game. And I just remembered it because my cousin showed it me two. Yeah, my cousin showed it me 2 weeks ago. Yeah, in a second. You've had this washer a while now, haven't you?
Yeah, we have.
You had an Indesit before, didn't you?
Wash it that one.
Yeah, I mean,
Where's your cup?
we prefer Hoover.
Where's your cup?
What, Dan?
Where's your cup?
What cup?
Where's your cup?
What, do you mean you're tapping it on my back?
Yeah. You getting a picture of it?
Yeah, I'm videoing it for me YouTube site. Yeah.
The cup?
Oh, the cup? Yeah, I could take a photograph of it, Dan, and
Little flake, Dad.
What do you not like, Dan?
Yes, Sean, do you like them?
I do. Not them, it's them toffee ones.
You like them?
Yeah, leave it on the table and I'll get it in a second. I'll just do 1 minute of this and then... It's actually called bouncing balls, Dan, this game, I've remembered. Right, I'm coming now. Just when it stops turning, I'll switch off.